Hey guys, it's Bonnie from Boulder Bond. Welcome back. Today's plan with me is going to be a use it up week and a plan as I go style. If you're not familiar with my use it up week, I gather all of my leftover sticker kits and try and use up as much as I can. I also pulled out my other stickers, so I will grab from this as well. So let's go ahead and get started. I typically like to grab a few different kits and try and make them all work. But since I did just do a declutter of all of my leftover sticker kits, I really don't have that many to choose from. So this is kind of going to be like a hodgepodge of stickers. I'll do my best to tell you all of the stickers that I'm using. And I'll also leave their link down below if their shop is still open. I know a couple of these may be closed already. So the first green sticker that I put down up top is from Sweet Tooth Planning. The water tracker is from Blank Slate Stickers. And then the orange full box checklist is from Mandy Dunbar. I also used like a little washi strip, and that was from Design Pandemonium. And then the YouTube, Instagram, and the half box is from my shop. I'm also putting down some date covers. These are also from my shop, but they're an old version and you can no longer get them, but the new updated version is available and they're a little bit nicer than these ones. I'm also putting down a glitter header, and that is from my shop as well. The little page flag is from H Kitty Designs, and the car sticker is also from my shop. So I'm just writing in ship bundles. Now I am changing the bundle shipments to go out on the 6th for everyone every single month. That way everybody knows exactly when the bundles start shipping. It used to be that I would start sending them on the 1st and then end on the 5th, since that is when the subscriptions end on the 5th, but it got a little confusing for some of my customers. So I wanted to make sure that everybody knows now that all of the bundles will ship on the 6th. That way everybody gets them at the same time. I mean, depending on how your USPS postal service works. So I think that will be much better for everyone now. So I just put down the 2 smaller page flag for Instagram and Facebook. That was from H Kitty Designs. I also put down one of my art bonbons because I was designing pretty much all day on Monday. And then I'm just snipping off the end of this page flag sticker. It is from an old Pimp My Planner kit from Design Pandemonium. I kept all of those stickers, so I do still have a bunch left. You guys can see they are a little bit longer than the Erin Condren boxes. A lot of her kits in the past were made to fit like any type of planner, so you guys could cut them up and do whatever you like in any of the planners. I also put down a little icon sticker, and that is from Blank Slate Sticker. And then of course I put down my YouTube sticker for my plan with me that went live last week. I also found a bunch of meal headers and weight headers from Blank Slate Stickers. Now I think that this might be one of the shops that is no longer on Etsy. I do have a lot of older stickers here that I had in a binder that I pulled out, so I'm pretty sure that it is no longer there. But again, I'll leave all of the shops that I use down below in case they are there, and then maybe I'll just put like that they're no longer in business as well, just so you guys know for sure. So I'm just finishing up with that, and I'm just filling in what I had for dinner that night and the workout that I did. I am back on track with my workouts, which I am so excited about, and I just feel so much better that I'm working out again. I really like to go for a long walk or run in the morning and then go swimming afterwards, but I haven't been able to do that because of course the weather hasn't permitted it here. So I have been having to adjust and work out at home. There is a workout gym here as well, which I have been going to, but not as frequently as I should. So it is really nice to be able to go out and take the walk in the morning. And sometimes I think I only went like once or twice this week to the pool, but I'm totally fine with that. So I just put down a green full box sticker, and that is from Crazy Confetti. The little icon is from Blank blank slate stickers. And then up top, all of those stickers are mine except the checklist, and that is from H Kitty Designs. I also just put down another glitter header. All of the glitter headers that I'm using this week are from my shop. And then the little flag there is from Mandy Dunbar. And then I also put down a car on top of that, and that is also from Mandy Dunbar. And then the half box that I put below the laptop sticker, that is from H Kitty Designs. The laptop sticker is mine. So I had to work on a bunch of SEO stuff on my shop on Tuesday. So that took up a bit of time. If you guys are familiar with SEO, man, it is a lot of work to do your search engine optimization, which I've never really gotten into doing for my shop. And so I'm slowly starting to do that with some of my listings, and it just takes so much time. So you guys can see that I am filling in the days of the week at the top. I didn't even realize I hadn't done that until Wednesday, and I was like, what day is it? So I was like, well, it might help if you write the days up top. Even though these stickers were a little bit transparent on my old matte removable sticker sheets, I could kind of see it, but oh my gosh, I cannot believe it. It took me until Wednesday to find that I didn't write the dates down. So I just put down half box up top. I actually cut a full box up, and that was from Crazy Confetti. I also put down an exclamation point, and that is from H Kitty Designs. Now a lot of these stickers are from the same people because I do try and finish off all of the sheets of stickers. So I pulled one of H Kitty Designs, almost all of the icon stickers, so I really wanted to use as many as I could from that. Same thing with the Mandy Dunbar sheet. I've actually had that one for quite a while, so I really want to finish that off. The design sticker, the half box, and that bow are all from my shop. And then underneath that, there's a long washi strip that is from Design Pandemonium. I just cut it down a bit. It was a lot longer. And then I'm just filling in all of the food and exercise I did, and then all of the water intake on the left-hand side, and filling in a few extra to-dos that I needed to get done for the week. So moving on to Thursday, I'm putting down another glitter header. Now I had a full sheet of these glitter headers, so I wanted to use all of them up, and they are no longer available in the shop, but I do have some that are similar to this. Again, the little flag sticker is from Mandy Dunbar, and then that icon sticker is from Blank Slate Stickers. Now I think I actually finished off the whole sheet of blank slate sticker icons just in this week, so that's why I really like doing the use it up week, because I get to use up all of these stickers that are sitting around and getting buried in my sticker stash. The film edit and upload is from my shop and still available. There's lots of different colors for those. I also put down another icon sticker from Blank Slate Stickers, and then the half box is mine, and the little asterisk is from H Kitty Designs. And then I put down a beach day sticker because I got to take a very long walk on Thursday. It was nice and sunny, so I really enjoyed taking that walk. I think I actually took 2 walks that day, one in the morning and then one in the evening time, because it was just so gorgeous outside. I wanted to soak up as much sun as I could. So moving on to Friday, you guys can see, oh my gosh, that Willa Walla Co sticker is the most adorable thing ever. I thought it worked perfectly for Best Friends Day. And then I also put down some dot stickers. I think that one is from Mandy Dunbar, but it could be H Kitty Designs as well, because both of them have dots that I used throughout this spread. And then that other sticker, oh my gosh, I thought it was so adorable. It was a freebie from Willa Walla Co as well. I thought it was perfect to mark that I saw a blue heron. I've never seen one before, and I may have seen one in the sky and just never knew, but this one was standing on a rock in the river. If you guys follow my Instagram stories or my Instagram page, I think I posted it on Instagram, but it might have just been in a story. But I was just so in awe of it. What a beautiful and magical bird that is. So I just put down another one of my YouTube stickers because I did my Erin Condren seasonal summer box unboxing. If you guys want to see that, I will leave a little card in the corner. I also used one of my quarter box stickers, and then the TV sticker icon I believe is from Design Pandemonium. And then I'm just filling in all the stuff on the bottom there, and then moving on to Saturday, I put down another glitter header, and then I also put down like this like 3/4 of a box. I'm not quite sure. I think it's smaller than a half box sticker, but it has an exclamation mark, like cell phone and a home on there. I just wrote in P.O. Box because I needed to get to the P.O. Box that day. I also wrote down messages and to vacuum because I needed to vacuum my place up. And then that is from One Orange Snowflake. I also put down another quarter box sticker from my shop, and then the icon sticker is from Blank Slate Stickers. And then the 2 half boxes that I just put down are from H Kitty Design, and the weekend banner is from Design Pandemonium. Also, the little quarter box there and the icon is from Blank Slate Stickers, and the pool sticker is mine. Thank goodness I got to go to the pool on Saturday. I was actually really concerned if there was going to be a ton of kids at the pool because we do have a lot of kids in our apartment complex, but I was so surprised. I think I was there for 2 hours and there were only like 2 other people there, so I was definitely swimming my butt off to get as much swim time that I could in. I also put down a little bow sticker that is from Mandy Dunbar, and then I put down one of my like study Bonster stickers because I did a lot of research. I don't get to use my Bonster sticker very much, so I was really happy to do that. I haven't really done a lot of Bonster stickers lately, so if you guys want to see me design some more Bonsters, definitely let me know down below. So I'm moving on to Sunday. The dots again are from either Mandy Dunbar or H Kitty. And then I put down one of my Ellie boxes because I was definitely on the research bandwagon on Saturday and Sunday. I've just been doing a lot of research for my business. And then that full box sticker is from Crazy Confetti, and that was the last of those boxes, so I was able to finish that sheet off. And then I also put down another one of my artist bonbons because I wanted to remember to post all of my pictures of my doodles for my Draw with Bond challenge that I do on Instagram and on my Facebook group. If you guys are not joining in on that, you should. It is so much fun. I hope you guys enjoyed this Use It Up week in my planner. If you did and you want to see more, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!